I'm excited for Valentine's Day and making a lovely vegan, gluten-free carrot cake for my husband. It really is yummy and it is so worth making. Let me know if you are going to make this cake and who you are going to surprise with it. If you're enjoying my videos, please like and subscribe, hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos, which I release about once a week. Stay fit, stay vegan, stay happy. See you in the next video. Bye!